Imagine Visa Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. This card often appears in mail offers promising easy approval, but you need to be careful. The Imagine Visa card is designed for people with poor or limited credit. It reports to major credit bureaus and can help build payment history. That sounds good, but most people get this card wrong by ignoring the fees. There is an annual fee and sometimes setup fees that reduce your available credit. Interest rates are also very high. It can help build credit if you pay on time, but better secured cards usually provide more value with fewer fees. Verdict: leave it unless you have no other option.